Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to withdraw from Solitaire Smash, then here is the step-by-step cash out guide for you. So first thing you have to know that to withdraw money from Solitaire Smash, you will need to first ensure you have a valid withdrawal amount, minimum $5, and then navigate to the withdrawal section within the app. You may need to verify your identity and could incur a service fee depending on your deposit and spending habits. Withdrawals are typically processed through PayPal or Venmo and can take up to 15 days to complete. Now, here is something that you need to know, that when you are ready to transfer your earning into real cash, you will be required to log in via email and connect your preferred payment amount or payment method actually. So for example, if you want to get that cash out money on your PayPal account, then you have to connect your PayPal as a payment method. This option includes the cashing out via your bank account or through platforms like Apple Pay or PayPal. It's important to note that in order to cash out Solitaire Smash will require your social security number to secure your deposit. Make sure you have entered the social security number. Now here's a more detailed breakdown. Check your balance and withdrawal eligibility. Ensure you have a sufficient amount available for withdrawal and that it is not bonus cash, which is non-withdrawable. Verify your identity. If required, you may need to upload a photo of your driver's license and a selfie, or you have to add your SSN number, the social security number. Navigate to the withdrawal section. This is usually found within the app's menu and account section. Then enter the withdrawal amount, input the desired amount, ensure it meets the minimum withdrawal requirement. Choose your payment method, select your preferred payment method that you have added, such as PayPal or Venmo or Apple Pay. Confirm the withdrawal, review the details and confirm the transactions. Wait for processing. Withdrawals can take some time to process, potentially up to 15 days according to the finance buzz. Now important considerations that bonus cash unlike your winning cannot be withdrawn. Then the withdrawal fees, some platforms may charge withdrawal fees, especially for small amounts or if you have met certain spending requirements. Account verification, you may need to verify your identity to withdraw winning. Processing time, be aware that withdrawals can take time to process, so be patient. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.